Richard.
Are you videoing?
I am. You got your first swarm at the new place.
Yay.
All the stragglers looking for their queen, who is now in their new home. Hopefully they stay. Are they going in the bucket?
No, they're going in that hole in the
Still
top.
going in the tailgate?
Yes.
It's because they think that she's in there still.
She's probably let off her pheromones.
Probably.
Anyways, yeah, we have the birds. But yeah.
Abby, let him go.
They're looking for their way in.
They're
Hello,
doing chicken
ladies.
things.
Hello, ladies. Yeah, they were on a cypress tree.
Don't let them
Listen.
out. That's the wrong thing to do when you got a new swarm, is to open the door. You need to let them sit.
Don't leave it like that, because they got a hole here where they can
Are
go
they
in and
going
out.
in and
Yeah,
out?
they're going in and out of here and in and out of here.
Okay. They're really investigating it. Look. They're dark like those Italians.
Look at them doing the wiggle dance.
Well, at least they're going in.